there are a lot of people, especially women, who feel like कि अब तो हम 30 साल के हो गए, मतलब अब my life is over now. No,
Mhm.
I have a wrinkle, my life is over.
Mhm.
So that sort of thing, maybe social media, maybe something else, maybe it's actual. But whatever, what would you tell someone, a woman or maybe anyone, who feels like कि अब मेरी life is just over? What
Mhm.
would you tell someone like that?
Look at me. Take inspiration from me.
हाँ.
So I think you have to that every woman, like, what we forget, like, it's about the society, it's also about like the upbringing and overall societal pressures, like, and we feel like, once we are married, we have our kids are growing up, and that's how, like, we are cooking, cleaning, and that's our responsibility. It has to be responsibility to yourself, and you have to be a constant learner, and you should never stop learning. It doesn't have to be your boardrooms. It doesn't have to be your proper job. You have to learn. Like, even during my homemaker days, I never stopped learning. Like, even Harvard happened or Hult happened. And even after that, whatever concepts I've learned, even before the Bollywood thing happened, like, in 2017, I was constantly doing something or the other to implement these strategies. I was working with, like, market concepts. I did a course with Bloomberg market concepts, trying to understand like the whole share trading, the whole trading market. So which I can do staying at home. So I have learned, like, how the companies work, how the financials work, and how I can implement those, and understanding. The whole understanding was when I was sitting at home and trying to do some trading. I was also getting financially independent. At the same time, I was learning, and also like, trying to implement whatever I've learned in my education, like the entire education career, that I would say. So I feel that every woman should not, like, feel that this is the end of the world. There can be, like, where it stops, there is a new beginning.